welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are testing driving a Toyota Prius 2009, okay? And the reason is why we test driving. The reason is the emission test won't pass because we replaced the new hybrid battery pack, okay? Now we're on the way, we're on highway 85, okay? And now we got our body back there. Show it to the camera. Back there. He's ready to say hi, but okay. Now, need it up. And now me, my brother, and my niece back there on the seat. The good thing is we have an insurance on it on this car, but a tag is already expired, okay? But so we just go home and we're driving safe. We are safe on the way now, so we good. We're driving about 50 miles already, so when we get home it's gonna be 100 miles. So we're gonna go straight to the emission tag shop. So we're gonna catch you guys emission shop. Okay, hey guys, we're here now. Emission test. Now we just wait on the emission test. We're gonna see the results. So the guy was doing it for us over here, and make sure you came in over here. Only $16. See that sign right there? So it's cheap over here, and make sure you guys come in over here. Okay. Now we're here, so maybe pass. We're already driving about to 100 miles, right? So we're driving on highway, you know, stuff like that. Now he's just walk on it. So we're gonna see you guys a little bit. Now we're here at home and we already got the paper right here. Is that said we passed, okay? So we already passed the emission test. So guys, it is the result that we showing to you guys. Make sure to stay tuned and catch you the next video, guys. We're gonna see you guys on the next video. Peace.